friends, so I'm going to show you how to make our Little Red Hen sequencing craft. So in your folder, you should have your packet, and it has the pictures, and then Little Red Hen and her wings. And to make it, you're going to need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. If you don't have any glue, you can use tape or anything else that you have at your house. So our first step, you're going to need this paper, and we're going to cut around along this black line all the way up. So I'll show you. So I'll take my scissors and I'm going to cut right along that black line all the way up. So when I'm done, it'll look like this. So we'll have step 1 with the Little Red Hen did, step 2, 3, and 4. So first, second, third, fourth of what happened in our book and how she baked her bread. So now we have to look at our pictures. It might be easier if we cut all of them out, and then we can figure out what came first in our story. So I'm going to cut out my pictures. Remember, when we cut, our thumb is up, and try your best to cut right on those lines. All right, so cut them out. Then you pick your scraps. Make sure you throw them away after. So let's look at our pictures. Did she first thresh the wheat? Was the bread made? Was the wheat turned into flour? Or did she find and plant the seeds? What happened first? She found and planted the seeds. So we are going to cut that one. Then we're going to take our glue stick, put some glue on the back. See if you can see what I'm doing here. So we're going to glue. My glue is not the best. Put some glue, and we're going to glue it on the number 1 because that's what happened first. Step 1. So first, she found and planted her seeds. So now our paper should look like this. Step 2, let's think. So she planted the seeds. They grew a little bit. So now she's going to thresh the wheat, bake the bread, or grind it into flour. What happened next? Yeah, she has to thresh the wheat. Now that's step number 2. That came second. So let's cut it. Put glue on the back. And then we're going to glue it on the number 2 because that's what happened second. So first, she found and planted the seeds. Second, the seeds grew into wheat and she had to cut it or thresh it, as it said in the book. Third, let's think, what happened third? Was the bread baked, or did she take it to the mill to get it ground into flour? She took it to the mill and ground it into flour. So let's cut that one out. That's what happened third. Here's our picture. Let's put some glue on the back. And third means it was number 3. So we're going to glue it on the number 3. So here's our paper now. So first, she found and planted the seeds. Second, the seeds grew into big, long strands of wheat, and she had to thresh it or cut it. And then she brought that wheat to the mill, and it was ground into flour. And she used the flour to do the 4th thing, which was bake her bread. So this is our last step. 4th step. So we're going to take our glue stick and glue it on the number 4. So now we have all of our steps. First, second, third, fourth. So seeds, then the wheat. She took the wheat to the mill. It was turned into flour. Then she baked her bread.